Oh, good morning. I got here for my happy Wednesday, happy rails from yesterday afternoon from the Southern Railway from Tuesday afternoon between the hours of 3 to 4 p.m. on October 20th. And then today's the 22nd, 23rd. Anyways, just wanted to state the time and say, yeah, it should be fun. Yeah, 22nd today, October 22nd. Anyway, the mix of railway from the afternoon from locomotives to cars and then the westbound freight trip at some part of the yard, I guess. And a compilation here I made up anyway, basically. So, yep. And some other things. There'll be some Amtrak or some other miscellaneous train too that in the mix here. So it should be good. So please enjoy and be safe.